morning reception. So today's maths, this week's maths is going to be all about long and short. So the work in your portfolios today is lots of practical activities that you can do to practice finding the longest object or item and the shortest. So you could use toys in your house to do this as well. You could use food. You could use anything that you can find that would work. But try and do a couple of the challenges on the sheet, and then also at the end of this PowerPoint there are some questions that I'd like you to answer as well. So let's start it. So long and short. Can you find these things in the picture? So make sure you can see the picture carefully. Can you find the shortest banana? So I can see some bananas here and I can see some bananas here, but we're looking for the shortest bananas. And these ones here are the shortest ones. And then here in this bunch, we've got a really short one there, and then we've got a really long one there. Can you find the longest vine? So these here are the vines, what the monkeys swing on. Can you find the longest one? So we've got one here, we've got two here, we've got one there, and we've got this one here. Which one is the longest? Well done, boys and girls. This one here is the longest vine. So the monkeys would have lots of fun swinging on that one. Can you find the elephant with the long trunk? So we've got an elephant here, a big elephant, and we've got a small elephant here. But which one has got the long trunk? Well done, boys and girls. The big elephant here is the one with the longest trunk. Can we find the monkey with the longest tail? So we've got one monkey here in the tree, and we've got one monkey here on the ground. Which of those two monkeys has the longest tail? Well done, boys and girls. The monkey in the tree is the one with the longest tail. Can we find the mouse with the shortest tail? So we've got a mouse here on top of the elephant. We've got a mouse here over on the ground, and we've got another mouse here that's having a drink of water. Which of those three mice has the shortest tail? Well done, boys and girls. It's this little mouse here that's having a drink of water, because that mouse has got a very long tail, and so has that mouse there. Fantastic. Okay, can we find the longest snake? Now this one's hard because the snakes are all curled up, but from what we can see, there's one on the ground here, there's one in the tree. Which one looks like it's the longest? Fantastic, boys and girls. It's this one in the tree. This one in the tree is humongous. It looks extra long, especially when it's all uncurled as well. Can we find the long river? Where is the long river on the picture? Well done. It's the only one we can see, but it looks very long. It'll go all through here, and it'll keep going all the way off the picture. And that is a really long river that all of the animals can drink out of. Okay, here are some questions that I would like you to answer with your grown-up. Or things I'd like you to do. Can you pretend to be an elephant with a long trunk? You could use an object, or you could use your arm, or if you're really creative, you could even make a long trunk. Can you find out what do elephants use their long trunks for? That's interesting. Can you pretend to be a monkey with a long tail? Again, you could use your arm, or you could try and make something. You could tie something around your waist. How long can you make that tail? And why do you think monkeys need long tails? If you don't know the answers to some of these, you could use Google to find out. Can you think of anything that really, really long? And can you think of anything that is very short? Okay, so discuss the answers with your grown-ups. You can write them on paper if you want and send them to me so that I can see what you have found out. I hope you enjoy the activities, boys and girls. See you all soon. Bye.